of the video. I'm doing an unboxing, quick unboxing, guys. It'll take me 5-10 minutes, and I'll be done. I got so much stuff. Just wanted to open it with you guys. That will be the first one, and here's boxes. Hey. Okay, I'm back, guys. I'm back. I gotta say something. Open this one first. Got 4 boxes and 1 envelope. What are you doing before I forget that? Yeah, I'm gonna take this clean, hopefully. Let's see what's in here. This is the first one. These are some 3-foot cords. This is chargers. I forgot the price. I'll put the link to Amazon for all the items for the unboxing. This is iPhone chargers. And these ones don't supposed to bend, because I hate those ones that keep bending. This is not bendable. Maybe I'll tell you what it is inside. I don't put those papers in there anymore to tell you what you order. It's just an empty envelope. And that's it. No, I won't tell you nothing. My print is so fine. You need a magnifying glass. Okay, here's box. Number 1. Okay, I'm doing the wrapper because it keeps changing back and forth. Inside of a box. That made sense. Let's put it in another box. I'll put another box in inside of this box. It's really been crazy. I remember seeing a gift like that years ago, where there was package, like a Christmas gift, and it had a little box into another little box. I forgot what was in that final little box, like a little cheap ring or something somebody gave me, but they wrapped it about 12 times. Oh, and this is just, I'm going to do some slime on the channel. So this is edible slime, ice cream, cookie dough slime, the chocolate mint slime. So that's coming out. Box number 2. Let's see. I'm getting through it, guys. It won't be too long. It's 10 minutes. Gotta break it up faster than this. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is my Noddles. Video for some noodles. I got me some noodles. These are not spicy at all, but I've been missing noodles. So I got me some noodles and some shrimp. So they're all the same thing, I think. Yeah. All the light is on. That's that's gonna be bright enough in here. I don't think I charged this light, but there's a light right here. I guess it's a little light, guys. Let's see. That helped too. See what they have in the package. That's what encouraged me. The noodles with some fried eggs. That's 2 videos coming up. That's the slime and the noodles and eggs. Okay, box number 3. You got like one thing in each box. Yeah. That's some more. That's the edible slime. So I don't know if I'll be playing with some of this with my grandson. I'll just be playing with you guys. Make your own Kool-Aid edible slime kit. So that's an edible slime kit. Do a little slime. I've seen some nice slime videos. They encouraged me to do some myself. And so, this is the last box. I'm gonna do this chicken video too. Shotgun too. Did his video. He was recommending us. So shout out to you, Shotgun too. I think that's the name of his channel. He cooks over there. Go check out Shotgun too. He's like, get yourself a cooking rack and do my video. I'm going to do this video where he did some chicken. And so yeah, I got myself a cooking rack. There you go, Shotgun. I got myself a cooking rack. So get yourself a cooking rack. So I did. And that's it. That's for all the boxes and the package. That's everything. I got boxes everywhere, so like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, guys, and come back. I see that light really do help a little bit under the table. Yeah. The mic is still on. If I leave it alone, it'll stay on to the end of the video. So I came in from outside and did a video. And I'm good. Now I gotta go edit a video. I gotta go up in the morning, so that was even brighter. That light is working. Period. Later, guys.